gonna go right on that again.
Can't see much.
It's like they're shooting film or something.
Right. Over the falls.
You can't get anything over here.
Well, we're going to start the second series of the Plush Birds of being scenic views, and we're in Niagara Falls today. Let's grab a cache. So somewhere over here, we're just above the Niagara River, down from the falls. I think it's a magnetic on the fence. There's Niagara Gorge, and there's the power station over the US side. The hints, caching could be a drain. So I'm looking for a drain. There's a drain pipe there, and it looks like a cache right there. Alright, all signed in. Inside we have some dinosaur type stickers, lizards and stuff. Alright, I had problems trying to log that one, so I had to wait till I get to some place where I had cell service worked. So that was good for Edward the penguin. So I don't know if I'm grabbing any more today or not, but we're out shopping at a Niagara Outlet malls here. Well, drove around Niagara Falls. Lots of caches I could get if we wanted to stop and pay for parking, but we didn't, and we're kind of on a timeline, so I only managed to get the one scenic cache. Could have got a few more. Next day, well, 2 days, I guess that was Friday. We're on Sunday. We're in Woodstock, another scenic view at a park here, looking for a cache. Nice little park. This is actually a letterbox. It's I had to do a bearing and distance off of the original, which was over there someplace. Brought me to this tree. And we have a Pilka bottle. Alright, all signed in. Cache found. And that was Riku, the red-tailed crane. It's up in the corner. What I said. So that's another one down. Let's see if we can find a few more. Well, this one's supposed to be a scenic view. We're close to a pita pit. There's actually a picture of this cache on the website. Not exactly where it was. It's close enough. Let's get her signed. Alright, all signed in. There's your view. Alright, so that was Bruno the Blackbird treasure. So let's see if we can get another one here. Well, we're after another cache. The coordinates actually put it on the other side of this fence by those dumpsters, but there's a picture close up of the cache at this tree here. In the tree, actually. It's supposed to be a scenic view. We have a Shoppers Drug Mart, dirty clothes, and kind of stuck in like a crack like this. I'm not seeing it on this side. Let's go check the other side. Alright, no luck there. This is what it's supposed to look like. Tracked the tree over pretty well. Not that many hiding spots. A couple branches have been trimmed down, so maybe it didn't make it through the winter. Let's go find another one. Alright, gonna try this Hickson recreation trail here. There's a bunch of caches here, but I don't have the time. I got a half an hour before I gotta head back. The first one's not too far down here, so just off the trail here. This could be a little bit nastier. There's a creature. Alright, all signed in. Oh, that was quick and easy, and that was good for the Maya, the McCall. So let's go down to the next cache here, see if we find it. Nice little bench. The squirrel just jumped from the bench up onto the tree here. I don't know where he is. Probably way gone now. Got about 16 feet here. It's that tree up here. A little bit of a incline hill. There's some stuff at the bottom here too, so it may be stuck in the bottom. It is a small container. It's a difficult 3. There's some sticks just laying here. And some bark here. I'm not seeing anything. So, part of the tree here, but I'm not seeing anything over the tree. I just came up here. It's quite a ways up. And I gotta get back down, it's kind of wet. There's also up in here, but I'm not tracking through this. Well, it's probably there, somewhere in the grass, but I don't think I'll be finding it today. So DNF. There's let's go for the one more here, and then I gotta head back, pick up the wife. We got a stop sign up here. I'll come to this tree and it's saying 15 feet. Supposed to be winter friendly, so I'm thinking it's probably hanging someplace. Oh, look, a little army guy. Alright, all signed in. Gotta put it away. Okay, so that was good for Alice the Adelie penguin. So that's gonna wrap it up for this trail. I'm not sure if we'll add any more caches to this. I got 20 minutes to pick up the wife. She's about 40 minutes away. So I'm gonna be a little late picking her up, but hopefully she's just running late because I texted her for an update and she has to text me back. Okay, let's stop for one more. It's a 1.5 micro on the side of the road with a scenic view of a farm here. I think I see something sparkly in there. Just got to get to it through the crud here. There it is. Nice little bison. Okay, the logs have seen better days. It's kind of like mushy here, but We got something written in here. All right. That was good for Kyle the Kookaberry. I lost my amount on that phone here. Kyle the Kookaberry treasure. So, got about 15 minutes to get back to meet the wife. So, I'm not sure if we'll add some more later or not. So, yeah. So, I get back there and she goes, "Oh, we got another hour." I was like, "Oh boy." Most of these scenic cache ones are north of Woodstock. She's working south of the Woodstock, but there's a couple down here. This one is a cemetery, and I would assume it's in one of these cedars back here. All right, so I zeroed out over on that tree. About to give up. I said, let's go check out this tree. Hints, waist high. And there's a camel bison. Scenic view of the farmland here. And my log. And nice quiet suburban cemetery. All right, so that was good for 2 seconds to forget the name of it when I looked it up. Cassowary? Forget the first name, but hey, I have it up here beside me. More scenic farmland. And we have a cedar bush. And a telephone pole. Do I see a cache here? Not quite yet. Might be around back. It's a difficult 3. Other container, winter friendly, so it's off the ground. I couldn't see anything. Circled the whole tree. All right, we're gonna hit another trail, Herbert Milnes Park. And actually did a cache here last year for another treasure. If the mosquitoes stay away. I just DNF'd that last one, and I didn't show the DNFing the next one. Got pretty much attacked by mosquitoes on the side of the road. So hopefully this one's a quick find. Nice trail back here, all gravel, easy to walk on. Benches. We should be getting close here. Well, zeroed out over by this log here. Don't look like there's any place to hide here. There is this tree over here. And there's a little cubby hole. Found it. Nothing in the container, except the logbook, of course. Signed in. We'll put her away. All right. So that was good for Harry the Hornbill. Got horny Harry. Anyways, that leaves 7 to do, so I'll save those for the next video, part 3. Because I'm not sure when we'll get to those ones. Maybe next weekend, maybe not. So till next time, cache you later, cache you on the trails.